Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the color of buttons on the Dawn theme in Shopify, step by step. Whether you want your buttons to match your brand's colors or just give your store a fresh look, this guide will get it done quickly and easily. First, log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand menu and click Online Store, then select Themes. Here, you'll see your live theme. Click Customize to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look for the gear icon to access your theme settings. From there, go to Colors. This section lets you manage all the colors in your store. Next, find the settings for button colors. Here, you can pick any color you like, maybe a bold red to grab attention or a calming blue for a softer vibe. As you adjust the color, watch the preview pane to see your changes in real time. Once you're happy with the new button color, don't forget to hit Save at the top right. And just like that, your Dawn theme buttons have a brand new look. Customizing your Shopify store isn't just about aesthetics. It helps strengthen your brand and makes the shopping experience more enjoyable for your customers. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.